Hello friends, today I am here with a new game that is named as Paulson Attack. Here the white wins just in 14 moves and the game starts with standard move E4 and the black replies with E5. White moves D4 and black captures the D4 with E5. White takes the pawn back by queen cross D4. Black develops the knight to C6 and attacking the white queen. White queen come to E3, a safer square. Black gives check from bishop B4 and white prevents it by C3, preventing the check and attacking the dark square bishop. Bishop moves to A5. White develops its light square bishop to C4 and targeting on the F7 pawn. Black develops his knight sitting at G2 E7 in order to short castle. White moves queen to G3 targeting the G7 pawn. Black short castles putting the king into the safer square, also defending the G7 pawn which was attacked by the queen. White immediately moves pawn to H4 attacking on the king side. Black moves his knight to G6 square. White gains some more space by putting pawn to H5 and attacking the knight. Now the G knight comes to E5 square. This knight cannot be captured by the queen since it is supported by another knight, and now this knight is also attacking the bishop sitting at C4. Here white, rather than defending a passive move by defending his bishop C4, he makes a attacking move by putting his bishop to G5 attacking the queen. Black defends the queen by putting it to E8 square. Now white moves bishop to F6 and threatening checkmate on G7 square. Bishop can't be taken by the pawn because pawn is pinned. So to prevent the checkmate, black moves pawn to G6. Now this G6 pawn is captured by H5 pawn. Now this H5 pawn can be captured by three ways, either by pawn sitting at H7 or F7 or by knight. Now if you look at the F7 pawn, it is pinned by the bishop C4, so it cannot be taken from the F7 pawn. Again, if we take it by the H7 pawn, then rook H8 will be checkmate. So the black is bound to take it by knight. Knight cross G6. Here what could be the winning move? Yes, queen cross G6. It is a sacrifice of queen. Now this queen cannot be taken by the F7 pawn and the king has no other safe square, so the black has to capture the queen by H7. And now rook H8, a checkmate. Friends, if you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel to motivate me to make such type of more videos. Thank you.